Everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a picture out of the data that you might have in your Excel worksheet. So what I was trying to do is write a Medium article, and I really wanted to add a table in it, a table to describe pros and cons of certain approaches. And Medium by default does not let you add a table element in it. So what I had to do is create that table in the Excel sheet, export it as an image, and then finally upload that image into the Medium article. So let me show you how I did that. So click on Microsoft Excel, go ahead and open an Excel workbook, and now what we'll do is we'll create a table. So let's call it item, pros and cons. So this will be our headers. So in item I'm just gonna put some random values A, B, C and D. And pros will just say this is awesome, and in con we'll just say this is not so good. And we'll just copy the same thing in other item rows as well. Now we'll try to create a table out of this data. To do so, select the entire text, and you can do that by using Command A shortcut. It will select all the rows and columns that you have entries into. Now once you do that, go to Tables tab on the top, and you would see a new item on the left hand side. Click on the drop down that you see just besides it and select Insert Tables with Headers, and you can see that your table is now created. You can select whatever font you want from the right hand side. You can select black, blue, red, whatever you want. So let's just go with black and gray for now. And once you have created the table, now we need to export this as an image. And to do so, I'll show that in a moment, but just understand that to export it as picture, it does not need to be a table. It could be any data that you have in your Excel workbook. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how we can export a picture out of this. So to do that, you need to select your entire table, all of your header rows and your data rows. And once you select all of the data that you want to export as picture, simply do a Command C, which basically stands for copy. So now you have copied all of your data. Now head on to home, and you will see a paste option on the left hand side. So what you can do is you can click on the drop down which is just besides the paste option, and you can select paste as picture to create a picture out of this data. But just for to make it more cleaner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new sheet so that both does not overlap. You can do that by clicking on plus icon at the bottom. Now you can see that my data is in sheet 1, and I've just navigated to sheet 2. Now we have already copied that data, so let's select the drop down again and select paste as picture. Now you can see that this picture that you had, the data that you had selected from sheet 1 is now available in sheet 2 as a picture. And if you want to save it in your desktop, what you need to do is right click and select save as picture, and let's call it abc.png, and we'll just save it in our desktop, and let's just call it let it be png, and let's just go ahead and save it. And you can see that it is now saved in your desktop. So we can go ahead and open this and see that the table is now created as a PNG file. So now you can use this PNG file wherever you want, and you can actually go ahead and remove this drop downs as well. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So go back to the Excel sheet, go back to the sheet, select all, go to tables, and actually you need to go to data. Yep, so this is the one. It is under data, so you can click on data and then click on filter to toggle the drop downs, and now you do not have the drop downs. And you can again do the same thing, just select the whole thing again, and just do a copy, and then finally go to let me create a new sheet, go to home, paste as picture, and you can see that your image is saved without those drop downs. So again, if you want to save it as PNG, just right click and click save as picture, and let's call it PQR this time. Again, we'll save it in the desktop, and just in the PNG format, just click on save, And let's just minimize this, and you can see that the other image is created as well, and this time there are no drop downs as well. So yeah, it's that easy. Thank you.